Although effective in eliminating viruses and bacteria, conventional UV disinfection utilizes powerful 254 UV fluorescent lamps that impose harmful effects on human skin and eyes. Instead of relying on suits, safety glasses, and bulky UV shields for protection, which can be costly to maintain stock as well as time-consuming to use, send in UV robots to clean the area. This approach is not only safer, but also faster to implement and more productive. Larson Electronics offers a heavy-duty UV robot that can carry out UV sanitation without human assistance. Using an included tablet, operators control and initiate commands wirelessly over Wi-Fi. The stainless steel robot is battery-powered. There's no need to worry about managing cords during UV treatment. Wheels at the base allow the unit to freely move around buildings and rooms. When it comes to sanitation capacity, our UV robot is equipped with 8 UVC fluorescent lamps with a 360-degree beam angle configuration for maximum exposure. Here are some of the main features.
Try this. Come on.
Check out our complete selection of UV sanitation and disinfection products. Visit Larson Electronics today. At Larson Electronics, we do more than meet your lighting needs. Contact us today.